Yo, let's get to it. I got a couple of pickups I want to run through before we get to the shoes. And yo, I'm blessed. I know y'all blessed, but it feels good to be able to get on this platform and show y'all different things of what I got going on, different clothes and different shoes, and just my opinion, and just had a conversation with y'all back and forth in the comments. I'm truly thankful and blessed that y'all allow me, you know, to sometimes sit on your phone, your TV, or whatever it may be, to give y'all some of these reviews on these shoes. You know, I don't go into depth on a lot of shoes. I just go off of what I like personally. And that's just it. That's what this channel was built around. It's not built around all these hype shoes and, oh, I gotta get the Jordan 4 Armand Nears and stuff like that. Like, I just don't build my channel off of that. I legit go after what I like, and thank y'all for supporting me and liking my videos and subscribing, and I just want to say thank y'all. But now let's get into some of this stuff that I support and I like. Shout out to Lids. If anybody know Lids, drop a link or something like that. No, anybody that is a part of Lids and want to holler at me, hit me up. I know I'm just a small timer, but just hit me up, yo. So we got these Lids boys here. Hey, I wasn't gonna do it, but I did it. You ever see something and you're like, walk by it and you're like, man, I don't want that. But then you be like, man, I need that. And then you be like, dog, I don't really want it. So you go look at something else in the same store, and then you wind up coming right back to it. Both of these hats did this to me. And it wasn't until I spoke to the employee and he was like, yo, these are an exclusive Lids. You can't find them nowhere else. And I was like, dang, that kind of won me over on one of them. So let's get into it. This is the first one. Bam, 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 bam. Anaheim Angels. Christmas coming up. I needed something with a little bit of Christmas colors into it. You got that green with that red and that gold. I think it just pops. I think it's a dope hat. And of course, you already know it's that 7.5. It's your boy size. It's a fitted. I just had to get something that was just different. Something that hit this Christmas off. And you know, let's see how it's looking. Yeah, y'all see. Yeah, let's see how it's looking. Y'all see it? Man, so I just had to get something that's gonna be different in respects of Christmas and whatnot. I don't have nothing really on that. I don't have nothing that's Angels or anything on this baseball team. So, hey, I just had to go with something different. So, shout out to them, and hey, shout out to Liz for that one there. Bam. Let's get to the next one, though. Let's get to the next one. I'm trying to run through these as quick as possible. Bam, bam, bam. Yes. Yo, y'all know I keep a Detroit hat on deck, and every time I go to Liz, I somehow find a way to buy a Detroit hat in different colors. I have another one coming. Is blue too as well, but this one with that light blue, that dark blue, the hints of the brown on here, up front here, just sets this hat off, man. Just sets this hat apart from a lot of stuff I've seen. Under the brim, you got that brown as well. I think this just won't be one of them dope ones that, you know, you gotta have in a collection. I might keep this on for the rest of the video. Yeah, let's keep it on for the rest of the video. So I got something else. Bam. Shout out Seth Fowler and his people, Apothecary, where your shoes and socks meet, and it's heaven. These gotta be some of the most comfortable, they're thick, but they're most comfortable socks I've tried on. And yo, I'm telling y'all now, if y'all haven't checked them out, it might be a good time to check them out, man. It might be a good time to check them out. I just think they got some dope stuff going on. And yo, let's look into this. The socks gonna run you around 15 bucks a pair, which ain't bad. It's not bad considering Jordan socks and all that stuff run about the same. So, and all Jordan socks don't be comfortable. So, if you getting a comfortable sock and all that stuff, and yo, me personally, I want to go with some Christmas colors. I wanted to go with some Christmas colors, so I went on and copped a little bit of Christmas stuff. So first one on the list here, you got the Christmas flakes or whatever on top, the different colors. Man, these are cold. I think they're cold. I'm not gonna wear shorts or anything, but for the night before and the Christmas Eve and all that stuff and leading up to it, I think this is a dope one. That's the one. Get you some eggnog, the little eggnog. Like these just really go dope. I don't know what shoe I'm gonna wear with them or what I'm gonna rock with them, but I just had to get something in hopes of Christmas and just keep it funky. Keep it real funky with these, man. Like I said, I don't want to keep y'all long and show y'all all these, but and for the last one, I got a wood grain, green and cream, I think it is. I got a bunch of stuff that I'm thinking about wearing lately, and yeah, bam. Like I said, these are some comfortable socks, man. They just comfortable. These will be one of my go-to socks. So shout out to Self Filer, and I will be continuing rocking these. So, all right, let's get into it. Y'all waiting, y'all seen the other stuff. I'm glad y'all been here with me and rocked whatever. So let's get into the last thing and let's get into the shoes and bam. This is the Air Jordan Low one. So let's talk about this, right? So I have a pair of Air Jordan 1 Low, gray, black, or whatnot, gray toe, or whatever, Jordan Low ones. And I must say, out of all the shoes I've rocked, and I've rocked Jordans and stuff like that, the golf ones kind of feel different. I don't know if it's the fact of the sole being a little thicker and give you a little bit more cushion to that, or it's the fact of how they're made. I'm not sure, but hands down has to be the most comfortable. Now, quality wise, they're just a tier above your regular Jordan ones. Like a regular release with just like some of the hard leathers or whatnot. I think these are just like a tier above that. They don't have some of the best leather, but two, they're wearable. And I think that's the difference. Bam, we're gonna get into this. I think this is white, black, and sport royal. So, hey, y'all know how blue shoes and Jordan get down. Y'all know how blues and Jordan go. Like, it's kind of like almost the red and white Jordans. Like, they just go for some reason. I'm not sure why. But, bam, let's get into it. Bam, you get this card in here talking about Nike Golf and what is going on. So, we get that. Let's get into it. Bam, bam. Let's take this out. Let's take them out. Let's look at them. Y'all know. Let's get into them. Oh, they do come with a different set of laces. So, they do come with the blue laces, and I'm liking that. So, bam. So now, on the bottom of these, as y'all can see, it says Nike Golf on the bottom, but it has a raised profile on the bottom of that. A raised profile. Just because if you walking through the dirt and stuff like that, and walking through the green and all that good stuff, the green. But two, the quality of leather on this is a little bit softer than your regular Jordan 1 Lows. Do I have some back here? I do, but they not regular Jordan 1 Lows. Just a little bit softer. Me personally, I think I'll get a lot of wears out of these. You know, like, and on the tongue, you got the golf on the tongue, and just sometimes it's hard to explain how comfortable a shoe is until you actually wear them. I wear my black and gray ones all the time. It's one of them shoes that sit at the door, especially when winter coming. It's just here. Like, I wear it all the time. Like, it's become a Air Force One to me. Throw it on and I go. This probably be in the same boat as that, because that royal blue is just hidden. And yeah, I think I have do I have another one? No, I don't have another one out right now. But yeah, these right here, if y'all get a chance, Nike got them sitting. And they going for, if I'm not mistaken, 140 right now. I think I got them for 110 because of the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale or whatever that was going on, and I had some cash left over, like 10% because of my birthday, whatever. But if y'all get a chance to cop these, go cop them. If I'm not mistaken, they're still sitting on there, and they're the golf ones. They're the golf lows. And I say get the golf lows just because, one, you have the extra grip, and it don't mess up. What is crazy, it don't mess up how you wear them and how you walk in them. Just gives you a little extra grip. Me personally, if you don't want to get them, don't get them. I'm not forcing you to get them. I just know that this is a little bit more quality than your regular ones. It do come with that royal blue laces, and yo, bam, bam, bam. If y'all get that opportunity, go and cop them. They do hit the hip for like 120, 125, somewhere up in there. They got a little bit more flex in them, which is crazy because we was talking about Kanye and all his shoes and how they got the little squinch in the inside or whatever. It's a Jordan 1. Like, they not meant to last forever. Like, let's be for real. Anyways, this your boy, Blacked Out Kickz, coming to you with another video. Hey, do me a favor. Stay blessed, be blessed, and always, no matter what, always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we